In this video, I will show you how to create some fancy links like this one that you could use for any reason you like. You could, for instance, use it to change tabs and to go to some other places on your worksheet, like this one, for instance. You click here and after you can click back using this one. So the first thing, we just create a shape. For instance, here, I'm just going to recreate one of those. Just create a round shape here, taking the shape. What I want is a dark color, so I take the deeper of the blues there for this one. After, I put a little bit of gradient on it. I like when it comes from the right, this one on the right. Then I want an outline that is a little bit thick. I want to go maybe with this one to a quarter. For the outline, I want to take a lighter blue, so I can go here, shape outline, and select a lighter blue like this one, for instance. And for the overall shape, I just put some shadow. I put a shadow effect. So this is it. So what we can do now is, if we double click, we can put some text in it. But I prefer to create a separate box for the text because we'll be inputting some shapes and that will give us more flexibility of where we put the text. So I will be creating first a text box where I will be putting the text. For instance, I can put resources and I will put it in white. And I will take the font that I like, is the Ben script, semi-condensed, semi-bold, semi-condensed, semi-bold, semi-condensed, so I can have it here. So I need to create the shape format. I need to put it into a no fill. Okay, so I have this, and I just need to remove the outline. That's it. So I already have this. So I just need to input some icons on it. So I just say insert icon, and here I find an icon that is related to resourcing. So I could put, for instance, people here. Looking for one. People. Could take those ones. Select this one. Now, the challenge with this is they're all the same color. And what I want to do is I want to create various colors. So I right click on it and I say convert to shape. And now we have everything separated more or less. So I could change this. I could change this guy's head if I wanted. I could put it in this color here. So, but all the men are separate. So now I can use this one, for instance. I think actually I need some lighter shades so it goes better against the deep blue. So this is how you do it. And then I'll just select lighter shades of everything. Okay, now I can put that on top of this. I can squash it a bit. I can just size it to whatever I like. So I think I prefer this one. I think so you can play around with this is a more a muted button if you like, but that will do for the purpose of this. So now what you can do is you can group all this. So once I'm finished centering this, which could take all afternoon. No, this is done. You go to find select, you select objects and you group it. And you say shape format, group, and that's it. So this is grouped. And you can still change if you double click anywhere, you can still change the shape's position if you want. Okay. Now once they are grouped, you can right click on the group and then you insert a link. And the link, you put the link wherever you want to go. For instance, I want to go in my resource tab here. Press on the link here. So now if I double click, now I'm here. I can click anywhere on that box and that will take me to the tab. And I have another one of those boxes and I can click back and here I go. So there's some improvement that I could make, but I made all those using the same method. I think the trick of right clicking on an icon and just changing the colors, I think adds a little bit of life to your buttons. Okay, and that's it for a quick demo.